what if I told you you could make $100 and even more every hour from just the comfort of your home? Your home may not be so comfortable, but with making just this $100 every day, you can grow to get a more comfortable home. All you have to do is just simply design logos and sell them online on these two specific websites. Wouldn't that sound amazing if this is really true? Yes, right? It is true. I'm going to show you how you could do that by just using your smartphone, having a good internet network connection, and the best part is you don't have to deal with any kind of physical products, moving products, physical products from one place to another. It's not necessary at all. You can stay at home, do the job, and make your money. That is all. All right, you don't have to invest any money into this business strategy. And this method is completely worldwide. So irrespective of your location, your geographic location, wherever you are, in the bush, in the forest, in US, in Nigeria, in India, wherever you are, it is absolutely gonna work for you. So let's quickly dive into this video for today to understand how to get started. Hello guys, I'm Shallybuilds. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Even if you're a newbie, this video is going to help you make tons and tons of dollars, $100 or more counting in a day, if depending on how seriously you take it, because I'm going to share with you a strategy or a trick that could help you to design logos very easily. You don't need any technical skills to know how to design logos, and even if you don't have any idea about designing logos, this video is going to help you to know how to design them and help you make your $100 and above every single hour. It's going to be an amazing run because you're going to learn a genuine method to make money online for a long time. So what I expect you to do is stick with me to the end of this video, because money doesn't fall from trees. You have to work for it a little bit, okay? But once you set this up, you can make money while you sleep. All right, so you heard me correctly. If you do this properly, you could probably, not even probably, you are definitely going to make money while you sleep. So watch my videos completely to the end. Stay tuned, listen attentively, and follow the right process. So before I actually explain to you how this is done, I need you to know two very important things, okay? The first thing is my entire video is going to be jam-packed with so much valuable information which you need to understand before you start making money, okay, using this business strategy. And the second thing is, if used properly with the business strategy that I'm going to explain to you in the video for today, it could help you make lots of money, over $100 in a day. Now, $100 in a day, imagine you work for like 5 hours in a day, that's $500 in a day, and you choose to work for 5 days in a week. So 5 hours times 5, that's 25. If you are going to be working 5 days in a week, you are going to be making a cumulative of $2,500 in a week. I mean, that's a very huge step, a very huge leap to financial freedom. So it's going to help you make lots of money online for long term. And if you are around here for the first time, I make videos related to the make money online niche. Most of my videos are of the educational type anyways, wherein I teach you how to make money from certain websites or certain applications. And I also teach you specific strategies that could help you make lots of money online for the long term. So if you think my videos are going to be fruitful for you, please go ahead, subscribe to the YouTube channel, smash it but don't break it, then hit the notification bell, click on the like button as well, and finally share my content after you watch my videos so that others can as well benefit from it. So with that being said, let us move straight on into the website I'll be introducing you to today. I'll be introducing you to two amazing websites on which you can sell logos and make a lot of money very easily. but you need to make sure you watch the videos till the end, okay? Because sometimes viewers who get to the description directly, who get to the link and try to do things by themselves, do not get successful in making this online money. You need to have a coach, you need to have someone put you through before running straight on to the website. I do not want you to have a problem with the website, so make sure you don't just quickly run to the description box to get the link. Watch the video attentively so that you can go to the website and make little or no mistakes. So watch my video throughout to the end. I promise you, you're definitely gonna go away with a big smile on your face. So the website I'm going to introduce you to is called brandcrowd.com. The link is in my description box below. You can click on the website, link to the website after you have watched the video, and then sign up for absolutely free of cost, okay? So basically, BrandCrowd is an online creative marketplace that helps startups, businesses, and entrepreneurs find and create their perfect logo in minutes. So if you are somebody who is looking for a logo for your coffee shop, beauty shop, brand, your barbing shop, your what kind of business can you think of? Your cashew shop, your African cuisine shop, or anything you can think of, BrandCrowd got you. Now there's something very important here you need to understand. What these guys do is that they make people design logos for them, people like you and I who are designers. So that gives us an opportunity to make some money online. And this is a professional business that these guys do. So you could get into it and start designing logos for this website very, very easily. And you could make lots of money from here, okay? You could make maybe $40, you could make 60, 65, $70. You could make $120. That depends on the quality of your logo, what you're designing, your client, and your bargain price. But like I told you earlier, I'm going to share with you an idea or a trick with which you could design high quality logos, get approved, and get paid from this website very, very easily. So basically, this website gives you two options for earning money through selling your logos. You may be somebody who already has a stock for logos. You can put it out on brandcrowd.com and have clients purchase it and make your money. Or you may be a designer who is waiting for one-on-one project services to render your services and get paid. Either ways, either of these two scenarios can work for you. You just have to register separately on it and then start making your money. So once you're on their website, you can click on the link which is in my description, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see here that for selling your logos directly, if you are a pro or if you are using CorelDRAW or any other software online or offline to design your own logo, you can click on this option. Sell logos, submit your logos. Once it is approved, you get a payment accordingly, okay? You can quote your price and everything once it is accepted. You're gonna get paid. It's as simple as that. But if you are a designer, you can click on this option, design a logo, log in, and then create an account absolutely free of cost. If you can start creating designs for BrandCrowd, you can make lots of money, and that will be a huge leap to financial freedom. I wonder what you're still waiting for. All right, so there is another website that is already famous that can help you make tons and tons of money, even way more than $100 in a week, depending on how seriously you take it. And it's known as Fiverr. The link is in my description box below. But before you go over to the link, watch this video and know how to go about it. Learn the tricks on Fiverr, else you come back very exhausted, overwhelmed, and not making any bucks. All right, so wait, if this video has been profitable to you, why not give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. You can go as far as sharing to your loved ones, to your friends. I mean, it's gonna be really appreciated. So let's continue. Now on Fiverr, what you need to do is first of all sign up for a seller's account. Okay, you could get an option here. Once you sign up, you log into the website. After you log into the website, you have to start posting ads. So if you scroll down, you can see here that there are a lot of sellers that are providing this service and charging a fee. This is exactly what you need to do. You need to put up a listing, something like this. For example, if you click on this ad, you can see here that the seller from the United Kingdom is providing logo designing services for this particular fee. And it's going to take 14 days to design this logo, and that's like a lot of time, but it's already getting a lot of orders. So you can see here that there are over 5 orders in queue, and he's already had 414 orders already completed, and maybe even more, because not all buyers provide a feedback for sellers on Fiverr. So what I'm trying to tell you is that there are a lot of scope you could use to become a seller here, just providing logo designing services. So whatever the case may be, you could start listing this, giving a nice little description and stuff like that, putting up a price, and then you could start expecting orders from Fiverr. Yes, Fiverr is a very competitive website nonetheless, that's very true, but you need to understand this. This is online, okay, and there are very few sellers doing this work. That means that's logo design work, maybe a couple of thousands, but there are people in millions who are looking for this type of services. Once you do it, once you start, this work only gets easier, and then you get to expand your influence, and people get to know you and feel safe while giving you gigs to carry out. So guys, these are the 2 websites that will help you make lots of money by selling your logos. I hope you see the potential of this business strategy that I've taught you in today's video. If you're somebody who is just going to watch my video and pass by, nothing is going to work for you. You're just going to stick to your regular job and complain and complain and complain. That's going to be your life. But if you're somebody who is going to take action, be consistent in the process, in learning how to do logo designing and selling them properly out there on these 2 websites, you just have to be patient and never give up on this business strategy. Or if you love to design logos but you don't know how to start, you can take up courses on Skillshare, Udemy, and Coursera, LinkedIn as well. So with that being said, you are definitely going to go a long way if you take these websites seriously, and you're going to make a lot of money. Your family and your friends will be happy to see you put a smile on their face. So thank you so much guys. If you got some value from my video for today, give it a thumbs up, post a nice little comment, and you can even send me an email if you have any questions related to the video for today. And hey, if you're somebody who is looking forward to making a regular income online almost passively on autopilot, click on my #1 YouTube recommendation. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, smash that subscription button but don't break it, and then hit that notification bell. Also give this video a thumbs up, share my content after you watch the video, because it helps the YouTube algorithm in pushing my videos to a wider audience. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will definitely come back with another interesting video on how to make money online from certain websites or certain apps by using certain specific strategies I will give you. So with that being said, thank you so much guys for coming to the end of this video with me. I hope you enjoyed a lot. See you in my next video. Bye.